Welcome to BayTalk application demonstration. BayTalk application was prepared for Code for Science India competition. BayTalk stands for Bioactivity Information to Organic Chemists. It is a freely available application on the Cyverse Hub platform. The application helps to assess the bioactivity of any organic compound. It can be utilized by organic chemists, medicinal chemists, people in drug design industry and academia. This application can be found and added using Cyverse Hub application gallery. User can input ligand in PDB, mol, XYZ and SDF formats. User can upload any organic molecule which may be available with him or her. Molecules can be downloaded from a public database or a private one. Example, Zinc database, PubChem, NRD, BSM. Molecule can also be drawn using freely available softwares like Marvin. For this demonstration, we will be using a sample file provided by the BayTalk application. To use the application, add CFS BayTalk application from the application gallery and go to the Cyverse Hub page. Let us first download the sample file. Sample file contains the coordinates for the ligand under investigation. Now we can upload the ligand file. We can also provide the email ID. To save time, we already ran the job previously. The unique ID can be used to retrieve the results. The first column is the PDB ID. Clicking it shows the RCSB page for the protein. All structural information regarding the protein can be found here. The second column, the KEGG ID. Clicking it shows the KEGG page for the protein. All information regarding the disease can be found here. The third column, clicking it shows the NCBI page for the organism causing the disease. Detailed information like scientific papers, nucleotide, protein sequences and other relevant information regarding the disease can be found here. Clicking on the fourth column tells us which disease is caused. It basically searches the Cyverse Hub page, and the results include full text articles, books, conferences and information associated with authors, in addition to other loads of information. Apart from this, the complete list is also mailed to the user, which may look like this. Thank you for watching.